got some Nike. We've got some Nikes, boys. And they definitely need to be restored. They're looking grungy. And as you can see, they look dirty now. We're about to have these real spiffy. What you're gonna use is Dawn's soap. Put them in the sink, just like that. Put a stopper on, just like this. Make sure it stops. I'm gonna dump a bunch of soap just like that, like everywhere. Probably going to want to boil some water. Let the bleach sit on there for just 20 to 30 seconds tops. Again, it's mainly for the soles that are really just stained. It really helps. Now we're going to put boiling water on it. Do not put the boiling water directly on the shoes. It's just mainly for the outside. Just a little bit on there. You don't want the leather to warp. So after a lot of scrubbing with boiling water, Dawn dish soap, and bleach, I mean a lot of scrubbing, soaking. I use the dish scrubber to scrub them. Now I dried them to do the details. Got bleach sitting on that, on the thread. Scrub them on the tips of the tongue, on the inside. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Looking fresh. Fresh kicks for Christmas. As you see, we got the shoes ready to go here, laced up, diamond style. These are gonna be my girlfriend's Christmas gift. Scrubbed and bleached the hell out of these. These were hideous before. They're looking way better now.